Hi, now we're outside and we're going to show how to install the Raven with the magnetic mounts onto the roof here. So come inside and we'll see how to do this. Okay, so we've got the Raven mounted on the Ouster like we showed. We've got a Wi-Fi access point with some Ethernet ports on the back. Now the Wi-Fi is just so you can use a telephone or tablet to access the Raven's web interface and start recordings or whatnot. You can also just use Ethernet for everything, of course. So we've got our wiring harness here, an extra Ethernet cable to get the Ouster breakout box into the switch. And in this case, we've got a 115 volt power adapter over here. So we're going to plug in the power bar into that. Otherwise, every device here is based on 12 volts. So we could go directly 12 volt using one of the cigarette adapters, or on a tractor with the 12 volt batteries, it can be plugged into that power supply. So we've got the power bar here in our connectors. So I'll quickly connect everything up. So we've got our switch plugged in. The Ouster breakout cable here. So this is the adapter for Ethernet and power into the Ouster. Plug that into the switch. The power supply for it is right here. And then on this side, this is the standard Ouster connector. Up, go, and then we've got the Ethernet and power for the Raven. So Ethernet goes in, power, everything's keyed, so once you get the right orientation in, it'll slide in. On the other side, so we've already connected the Ouster's breakout cable. We now have the barrel adapter for the Raven as well as the Ethernet. Ethernet goes here. Ouster, switch, Raven. Okay, everything's plugged in. So now we'll open the window here and then we'll just pass this cable through the window. Alright, and then on the roof, the magnetic mounts just go right here. And we've now got this mounted. So next we'll get in the truck and we'll drive around and collect a little bit of data, and then finally we'll show you what the MCAP files look like back where it's warm inside. Thank you.